In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to add any third-party applications such as Google Analytics, tracking codes, pixels from Facebook or any other way, any other place, other third-party applications like live chats and whatever you wish. So, how do you do that for a website? It's very, very simple. All you have to do is click on the website settings and you have this section up top. It's called custom code. And there you can see that you can add custom head markup, CSS, body markup. If you don't know what that is, don't worry. So if you have, let's say, Google Analytics code, all you have to do is, usually they say, add it into your head section of your website. So you just copy the text from there and just paste it in this section. And that's it. Click on save and you already have Google Analytics. You can add third-party applications such as if it's live chat or whatever it is. You can add the code here and click on save, and that will load inside your website when you start previewing it. You can add different things such as custom CSS, as you can see here. Of course, this is more advanced if you want to do some lightweight modifications with CSS. And you can add body markup as well. So these are the options for adding custom code inside the website or inside the pages if it's page related, such as certain events. If you want to add a pixel, for pixel specifically for Facebook pixel, we have created an integration. So you just go to applications, click on add an application and select Facebook pixel. All you have to do is add the pixel ID, click on save and verify, and that's it. You already have pixel tracking all the events and pages on your website. Well, what if it is a funnel? Well, the funnel is the same basically when it comes to standalone funnels. When it is a funnel inside a website, all you have to do is go inside the funnel, go inside the funnel settings, and again, you have the same things. Custom head markup, custom CSS, custom body markup. So you can add those integrations. So it's really easy and straightforward. What if you want to add custom code for inside the page itself? Let's say a form or let's say a chat of some sort, comments or whatever it is you want to add to the page. Again, you copy the code from the third-party application and just click on the plus icon. Then you have the code widget. You just drag the code widget and add it anywhere on the page where you want to display the custom code. So just, let's say, place it here. And you have this area for code. So just paste the code that you want to execute. It can be an iframe, it can be whatever, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, whatever it is. You just paste it here and that's it. Click on save and preview to see the actual results of what you've added. So this is how simple it is to add third-party integrations such as pixels, analytics, live chats, custom code into the pages as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate and let us know.